Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I'll show you how to make eggless chocolate mug cake without oven. You will have to add following ingredients: 4 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 pinches of baking powder, 1 pinch of baking soda, 3.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of fresh cream, 1 tablespoon of oil or melted butter, few drops of vanilla essence, few drops of vinegar, a little bit of salt, 2 tablespoons of milk. Now you have to give it a really good stir just to make sure no lumps remain there. The texture of mixture should look like this exactly, delicious and rich. Now I'm going to add Nutella because I love it. I mean, who does not like it? Just drop a tablespoon of Nutella on top of mixture. Take a utensil like this and preheat for 2 minutes on medium flame. Then place your mug in it and let it bake for low flame for 12 to 15 minutes. It's ready now. As you can see, I'll sprinkle chocolate chips on it and bake it for 2 more minutes. So finally our mug cake is ready. Just look at this. How moist it is, and obviously it was yummy. Try this and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you find it helpful. Bye.